at this box. I wonder what's inside. Listen, can you hear that? Do you know who it is? Wow, it's a ducky, a happy yellow ducky. Hello. Great job. The ducky is so happy to see you. Subscribe to open the next box with me.